just after 5 or 5:15 in the morning. Driving up to Heathrow Airport, picking up and bringing back. I've just done my Heathrow to Swindon. Now I'm on the way down to Southampton with a eat your heart out Aid Larson bacon, lettuce and tomato sandwich. Drink your heart out Aid Larson with a bottle of sparkling water, and I've also popped into McDonald's and got myself a hot chocolate. Salisbury Cathedral over there. Stuck in traffic at the moment. Not good. Got a big posse of motorbikes here. Right, we're just about to go under the most hit bridge in the UK, which is that one there, 10 feet, 3 meters, 0.1. And that place there is Central Community and Medical Fund Hospital. The NHS was actually modelled on the medical care given to the Great Western Railway workers back in the day. We're talking like back in Isambard Kingdom Brunel's time, and that's a railway village over there. Perhaps if I get a chance I'll be able to put my drone up and have a little look. Okay, we're at Farringdon Park, not far from Swindon town centre. Gonna take a bit of a trip around the area, the railway village. Right, we're all okay to fly. Right, okay. Just getting a bit of a fly around. I'll show you where the railway village is, and the old sheds as well. Could be quite interesting, this one. I think you might enjoy it. So we go. Look around.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Right, okay.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Right, we're at 400 feet. Right, looking back down where I am. Right, I'm in that park there. I can spin you around. Right, that's right, so that's where they used to make the steam locomotives in Swindon. Thousands of people used to work in that site. Up to about 15,000 people once upon a time, I believe. Now it's just one of these modern shopping malls now. That's what that is. And gets a lot of visitors. You see the car parks starting to fill up now. People in there doing their shopping. Yeah. Right, going towards Swindon New Town. That's the New Town shopping area there. Right, so that down there is that's what's known as the railway village. All around there. Gives you an idea of what the railway village looks like. Right, So heading back my way now. Okay. Right, heading overhead somewhere. Flying overhead, can't see it. There you go. Gives a bit of an idea of the surroundings, this part of Swindon, town centre, railway village, railway track, and the famous works, which used to make locomotives but now just a shopping centre. Right, low battery, let's bring her back. Gonna grab you now. There we go, sorted. There we go. That was a little trip round Swindon. Hope you enjoyed that. I did. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Like and subscribe, by the way, if you haven't already.